Hi everyone, Ben Davis here from Arto Property Group and welcome to our construction update for January here at Levue Balmoral. Well, I hope everyone had a great break over the Christmas and New Year period and are now ready for a massive 2026. Since our last update in November, Levue has continued with great progress, with several important milestones achieved across the structure and the transition now into internal works. Through December and into early January, we continued the basement services, including fire, electrical and plumbing works through to the ground level. We also removed the final temporary structural steel bracing that was supporting the basement walls during earlier stages of construction. A major milestone was the completion of the level 1 slab pour, allowing the building to continue moving vertically and transition into the next phase of works. We're now preparing the structure for level 2, and at the same time, internal works have commenced within Residence 1. This is always an exciting stage, as the spaces begin to take shape and the layout becomes much easier to visualise. These works include internal wall framing, waterproofing of window and door openings, and the installation of subsills, windows and doors. As expected, January is typically a quieter month across the industry due to holiday shutdowns, but the site has remained well organised and ready to build momentum as we move into the year. Looking ahead, you can expect continued progress across the main structure and internal works as activity ramps back up. Overall, we're very comfortable with how the project is tracking and how Levue Balmoral is coming along. I'd like to thank you for following along our journey and look forward to seeing you at the next construction update.